everyone, Miss Ashley here for our last Leave No Trace principle, be considerate of other visitors, which is Leave No Trace number 7. Miss Emma just gave a great example of something you shouldn't do when you're on a trail or in the outdoors, which is listen to your music out loud. It's okay to listen to music when you go outside, but you want to have headphones. A lot of people are either wanting to listen to the sounds of nature, or maybe you don't have the same taste in music. We're also going to give you a couple other examples of good outdoor etiquette when considering other visitors.
What's wrong with this picture? Well, you'll notice that Miss Ashley is sitting down for her snack and water right in the middle of the trail, which means that it's really hard for other people to get by. So, when you're walking down a trail, make sure that you take your brakes off to the side so there's room. And if you're at a place with a cool view, make sure that there's room for everyone to enjoy it and that you're not taking up the whole place.
Miss Emma and I have given you a couple different examples of how to be considerate when in the outdoors. Things like not listening to loud noises and not hogging the trail. Another thing we wanted to talk about is one of everybody's favorite pastimes.
Ding ding!
Which is riding your bike. When you're riding your bike in the outdoors, you need to think about a couple different things. Making sure you're on a correct trail, making sure you're letting other people know where you're at, and something I really like, and I'm sure Miss Emma does too, is when you're with a group of people on a bike, you let others know how many is in your group. So if you pass a hiker, you say, hey, 2 more people coming, and that lets everyone be more aware. Here we are for our last Leave No Trace challenge that Miss Emma and I have for you. What we want you to do is we want you to use all those principles that we've taught you about, and we want you to design or plan your own outdoor trip. It can be backpacking, camping, a hiking trip, a rafting trip, whatever outdoor activity you want. And it can be for a long period of time or just a couple hours. But we need you to think about those principles and some of the things you'll need to do and bring when you plan. Miss Emma, what are some ideas of things that you should plan or bring when you go on this trip that you're planning?
Yeah, well, so a lot of it depends on where you're going and for how long. So you want to plan out, are you going overnight? And if you're going overnight in a place where there are bears, you need to make sure that you're keeping your food out of the bear's hands. If you are going someplace that's going to be so beautiful, you should bring a camera so that you're less tempted to take what you find and you can leave it, but still have pictures to remember. And really anywhere you're going, you also want to know all 7 LNT principles so that you and anyone you run into and all the wildlife that lives there can all have a great time.
That's perfect, Miss Emma. So, if you want to go on a desert trip, if you want to go to the Antarctica, if you want to go to the jungle, wherever you plan, make sure you're prepared. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.